Okay, today we're going to install a Type E in a combination basin. There's a combination. There's a Type E, all the parts. You have two short, one long, two corners, one piece of rubber, your basin, and your hardware. First thing that we're going to do is take a measurement on the clear space. Clear space is from the innermost side to the innermost side. What is it?
46 and a half.
46 and a half. That's what we're going to set our flanges out to. We're going to take our side flanges, the two short flanges, set them out to 42. Flanges slide right in. What you want to do is measure from, oh, come on this side. Measure from the outside underneath the flange to outside underneath the flange. Then we're going to put our front flange on, which is the large one. You can either have it flush or adjust it at any size. That doesn't matter. Then we have our rubber, which goes right onto the back, which can go onto the back of the flange right here or onto the top. Right? And what we've got to do is take the rubber, pick it up, fold it over, this is what it looks like just before it goes in. Rubber on the back side, two shorts on the side, one long on the front. Then we're going to take the two black overhead screws and put them through the rubber into the plastic. Make sure you don't go too deep, otherwise you'll wind up stripping out the plastic. Once the rubber's set in, I'm going to pick up the basin, move it over to the hole. Hold your rubber up in the corners just a little bit so that you can get your flanges down. Make sure the unit gets pushed all the way to the front. And that the flanges are all the way back to the rubber. Then we grab our corners. Using 5/16 self-tapping screws. What we want to do is put the screws below this lip right here so that the screws don't go into the side. When you screw your corner in, hold the corner and then screw it in. We have the cartridge lifter. Once your corners are installed, last thing to do is to take your cartridges, whatever cartridge you've ordered. You can put them in by hand. Kevin, put that one in. Put it down. Set it. Can you bring that cartridge over here? And give it a quarter turn. What you're doing is taking the nipples at the bottom of the cartridge right here and placing them right there. And then giving them a quarter turn to lock them in. Once this is all done, you are now complete and ready to put your grate back on. It's still rolling. Once your grate is on, you're now complete. Unit is now installed.